Hello friends, welcome to Export Import Learning channel. And in this session, we will understand about the key responsibilities and capabilities for the assistant manager in a company. Okay, so the company is asking the person who have a capable to handle this responsibility. Okay, so we will understand one by one. Okay, so there are points is mentioned on the screen which we will discuss. So the first point, manage import and export, forwarding shipments from and to from India, from rest of the world in different mode of the transportation. Okay, so in this line, the lot of activities involved. Okay, lot of operational involved and lot of integrated process involved. Okay, so here the point is saying that manage import and export forwarding shipments. Okay, forwarding we have to understand mean the part of freight. Okay, after port of discharge or before port of discharge is the part, it's called forwarding system, means that shippings. Okay, just like a port of loading to port of discharge. In case of ship, then we have to handle the forwarding, like a we have to book the container and take the rates from the shipping lines. So forwarding part we have to handle. Okay, before forwarding part, what part is called is the custom part, custom clearance and transportation of the origin country. So in the, for example, if we are going to export some goods from India to other country, in that case, as per this responsibility, we have to handle the forwarding part of that shipment. Okay, so what we have to do, that just our cargo is ready for the dispatch, we inform to our agent, okay, for taking a booking for that particular country. Okay, then cargo dispatch, examination process also be complete, then the cargo reach at the seaport. Okay, and then shipment will sell. So in this case, from port of loading to port of discharge, whatever charges will apply, we have to take in advance from the shipping line. Okay, and track the shipments. Okay, that shipment, where is shipment, inform to our client. These are the things important. Okay, so in the case of import and export, both they are asking about the forwarding part of that. So these are the this is the situation of the air sea shipment. Okay, but in case of air, what the procedure is through some change. Just like if we are exporting it as a box of wooden, the volume is 100 kg, and that particular case, what we have to do, as per commercial noise, the shipment is CIF. Okay, Incoterms is CIF. So in this case, we have to handle the forwarding part. Okay, so just our cargo is the at our factory, and we will inform to our forwarder. Okay, for the particular shipment. So we place order to the our forwarder. Okay, and our forwarder, as per volume, he send the transport vehicle at the factory to carry the shipments at the airport. Okay, for that there are other activity also involved, like a cargo loading in the vehicle, and the documentation part. Okay, and pre-shipment documentation for the custom port. So this full activities complete, then the cargo go to the airport for the custom clearance. Okay, so once custom clearance proceed, then next step is that shipment move from India to destination by air. Okay, so here from port of loading to port of discharge will be completed in the very few times. Okay, because that shipment is by air, in the same day will be delivers 3 or 4 hour maximum or 5 hour maximums. Okay, in the only the way of crossing port of loading to port of discharge. So this is very important. In this case, what we have to handle the forwarding part, that we can say the freight which is uh, allotted by the shipping line in advance. Okay, and tracking part, these are the important in this forwarding part in a case of air. If we talk about the import case, in the same way, the if shipment is FOB in import, then we have to handle the part of forwarding, just like a after the expenses from the country of origin, once shipment is reach at the port, origin port. Okay, then after all the expenses will be bear by us. So in this case, we have to handle the forwarding part, like a freight part of that particular shipments. In the same way, if shipment is FOB in air case, then airline charges will be borne by us, because that shipment is FOB and forwarding is handled by us. Okay, so in this both case, we can arrange our nominate forwarder, because uh, if we if our agent is arranging the any agent, our supplier is arranging our agent. Okay, the charges can be high, maybe. So for our safety and saving of the cost, we will arrange our only our agent from our side.